tired of your PC sounding like a jet engine? What if I told you that a completely silent, high-performance computer is not just a dream, but a reality you can build right now? Forget about distracting fan noise and overheating issues. The future of silent computing is here in 2024. The secret lies in smart airflow optimization. By combining full mesh panels with high-efficiency thermal pads and intelligent AI-driven fan curves, you can achieve total silence without sacrificing an ounce of power. It's all about making the air work for you, not against you. But of course, having the right components is crucial. We're talking about a fanless power supply, a motherboard with advanced AI cooling technology, and a GPU specifically designed to eliminate that annoying coil whine. Each part works in perfect harmony to create a truly silent beast. Don't just take my word for it. In our stress tests, the CPU maxed out at a cool 58 degrees Celsius, while the noise level registered a mind-blowing 2.1 decibels. That's quieter than a whisper. It's practically silent. Want to build your own? Subscribe now for the full step-by-step guide and complete parts list. Don't miss out.